this is Dr. Krishma Zaveri signing in, and welcome to my channel. This is my son Param Thakur. He's 1 year old, and today we are in Rajkot. We had lunch in Hotel Phoenix on Kalwad Road, and then now we are going to Gondal. So stay with us. I'll show you around Gondal, the palace, the museum, and Swaminarayan Mandir, and 2 more places. So to know which are those places, stay with me. The drive from Rajkot to Gondal is around 45 kilometers. It will take us, it will take us around 1 hour. And till then, the Swaminarayan Mandir will also open around 4 o'clock. So first we are going to the museum or the palace, and then to the Mandir. Some agricultural trip. Here in Rajkot district, mostly it is cotton which is grown, and then there is moongfali, that means groundnuts, and then there are mung. Okay, let me show you the cotton plant and the groundnut plant, and on the road, if any mung plants come, then I will show you that also. Behind me it's groundnut, and I have newfound interest in agriculture, so I'm just showing you what Rajkot districts contain. Mainly these are the crops, that is cotton, groundnut and mung. There are acres and acres of land which has these plants. So I think this is the hall out here. Let's look inside. I think this is called petara, okay? My Nanaji had this petara in their house. And yeah, it's beautiful, right? Yes, my Nanu's house is something different in shape, but it's called petara, and it is used to store clothes and things. And right now we are in the backside of Riverside Palace. So we are going upstairs, me and Param. Let's go. Beautiful piece. It's made up of small moti work. So basically this Riverside Palace has 11 rooms. And it has moti work and stuffed animals and some antiques within. So if you want, you can visit this palace for its beautiful blue color. All 11 rooms are open, but they are basic rooms only, which has 2 single beds side by side and some table and few furniture. Nothing much. but it's good, the color and everything. So let's go to next place. So this is Sangramji High School. We are standing in their campus and it's a beautiful campus. We are visiting one more palace in Gondal. It is Palace Orchard. It also has an entry ticket. You can buy tickets from here, and it costed two of us 617 rupees. And the museum timing is from 9 to 12 and 3 to 6 p.m. And these are the charges. It's written over here, so now you can calculate. Every wing has different charges. Royal Rail Saloon, then there is Vintage Car Museum, Japanese Garden, Orchard Palace itself, and there are camera charges different. They are charged separately. First we are going to visit this vintage car collection. There were two reasons why I visited Gondal. Because first, because of the song which is famous in Gujarati Garba. Ame Gondal gamna gori raj achko machko kareli, which is remixed by Honey Singh. And the second reason is because this king over here was very rich and he was very interested in car, and my husband is also very much interested in cars, so we have to visit this museum. One of those vintage car museum we had visited very long back was in Ahmedabad. So if you get time in Ahmedabad, it's around 50-60 kilometers from Ahmedabad. It's a beautiful vintage car museum. You can visit it also. I have taken the stroller because Param is with us, and there are two people coming with us to show us the museum and everything, and tell a few, I think some history he may be knowing about the place. So let's go with them and I'll show you around. Okay, it has a beautiful peacock out here. Epic. Look at this peacock standing on the door. So in all there are 34 cars, 34 vintage cars. I'll show you one by one. I'll give you a glimpse of the museum and you can come in person and look at this beautiful museum out here.
You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of me.
This is the racing car which we won the race in 1973 Chennai, Maharaja Kumar Gondal 1972. And this is Formula 5000 1972 US model. The number is 111.
Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand.
Gondal 1 is kept here. This was used in the movie Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Get you in, that's not the point. I can smooth, but
Okay, so these are the books lying in the palace of Gondal. Maybe sometime I may check out one of them. Midnight Children. I want to read this book. Okay, Midnight Children by Salman Rushdie. Let me tell you, I just got the information. This palace is converted into hotel, and there are 7 rooms allotted for the hotel stay, and breakfast is also available. So maybe we can think of staying here. Let's see. We are seeing the rooms which are allotted for the hotel stay, And let me show you. They charge around 7,000 rupees per room. Okay, these are the rooms. This is the dressing room, I suppose. Yes, nice big room. Yeah, bathrooms are quite good. Yes, nice. I like it. This is the common living room hall. It has 4 seats. This is the personal royal train of his. He has personal compartment in any train. So this is the compartment of him. This was personally designed and only for him. Okay. This is the washroom. And this is the dining space. They have kept it. The train. I'm showing you the inside of the train. Wow. So there are 4 things to see: this palace, this train, personal compartment as in, and then there is that vintage museum car collection, and then there is Japanese garden. So we are entering Japanese garden right away. We are in Pandora box. It's the photograph of Yuvraj with the movie shot here. Okay, let me tell you the budget of a raw picture which was shot with John Abraham over here. It was like 11 lakhs. They took for renovating this palace, and they charged 4 lakhs, which is the news. Okay, this is just the gossip. Around 4 lakhs for the was the fees charged by the place. So yeah, 11 or 12 lakhs for the Navlakha Palace maybe tomorrow morning. Now it's almost evening, 7 o'clock, and they have closed down. So see you tomorrow, and for now, good night. So we are at the back side of Navlakha Mahal, and this is such a beautiful sight to beckon.